Cloud computing is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world, and it is transforming how businesses, governments, healthcare organizations, and educational institutions operate. Learning cloud computing can open doors to exciting opportunities across almost every industry. Today, companies no longer rely only on physical servers located in their offices. Instead, they use cloud platforms to store data, run applications, build websites, develop artificial intelligence solutions, and deliver services to millions of users around the world. This shift has created an enormous demand for professionals with cloud computing skills. Organizations of all sizes are looking for cloud engineers, cloud architects, DevOps engineers, cloud security specialists, solutions architects, and site reliability engineers. Another advantage is that cloud computing skills are useful across many industries. Whether you want to work in banking, healthcare, e commerce, entertainment, education, manufacturing, or government, cloud technology plays a critical role. So, how can you begin your cloud computing journey? Start by understanding the fundamentals. Learn what cloud computing is and explore the differences between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Understand concepts such as virtualization, networking, storage, databases, and security. Next, choose one of the leading cloud platforms. The three most popular providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. AWS has the largest global market share and a broad ecosystem. Azure is widely used by enterprises and organizations already invested in Microsoft technologies. Google Cloud is known for its strengths in data analytics, machine learning, and Kubernetes. Learning any one of these platforms provides a strong foundation, and many core concepts transfer across providers. Hands on practice is essential. Create free tier accounts where available. Launch virtual machines, configure storage, build simple web applications, and explore cloud services. Practical experience helps you understand how cloud technologies work in real world scenarios and strengthens your confidence. As you progress, consider earning industry recognized certifications. Beginner friendly certifications such as AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900, or Google Cloud Digital Leader can demonstrate your foundational knowledge to employers. Finally, build a portfolio. Share cloud projects on GitHub, document your learning, and showcase your work on LinkedIn. Cloud computing is more than a technology trend, it is a long term career opportunity. By learning cloud computing today, you can prepare yourself for high demand jobs, competitive salaries, and a future filled with innovation.